Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing and review on my new jump starter and air compressor all in one. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. You can actually never have too many of these. Probably have one in each car if you don't. But here's the actual device itself. Let me just pull out the accessories. Instruction manual right here. The different tips if you need to inflate like a ball or a tire. The Type-C cable, a carrying case, and then the actual cables to jumpstart your vehicle. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Wow, that is really nice. So check it out. Let's power it up. That is clean. That's what it actually looks like right here. That is cool. So it's actually touchscreen. That is neat. This is I've had a bunch of them where it's just normal, but this one's touchscreen. That's pretty cool. All right, so if you hold this one right here, it'll activate the light feature on here. So if it's ever like dark and you need that extra light, this can do that for you. And let's go ahead and hook up the cables to this. So if you want to use the actual jump starter part, lift this piece up, plug it in right here. And as you can see, lets you know that it's ready to go. And then you just plug this in to your battery and you are good to go. Man, that is very cool. Like I said, it's already on. This LCD display is really clean. I like it. Really cool. It tells you the battery level so you know if you need to charge it or not. All right, and then if you want to use the tire piece, just plug this in right here. Sweet. It's ready to go. That is cool. So let's go ahead and actually inflate the tire and see how it works. Right, and it's that simple, super easy to use. It lets you know the PSI reading right then and there, so you know exactly how much you're inflating. That's really sweet. And the other cool part about it is it's also a power bank. So if you need to charge your phone, tablet, anything like that, simply just plug in your device right here to that USB. I'll plug in my phone here. All right, and there you go. It starts charging right away. So that's super cool to have. So in case you're, in the middle of nowhere and you need something to charge your phone real quick. And then one thing that I do want to say about the flashlight, once you turn it on just by holding it, there is different options. So there's that one, and then there's this one if you want it to flash. A little faster flashing on there, and then turn off. So it does have 3 different settings on there. Man, this is probably one of the cooler jump starters that I got that's also portable air compressor. Kind of nice to have one of these in your vehicle, just like an extra form of security on there that, if your battery dies or you need to inflate your tire, or like I said, even as a power bank. And it's not super bulky, so you can just put it right in that carrying case that it comes with. Just like that. Keep it underneath the seat. Super simple. Like I said, it's not too bulky, but it's a nice size to jumpstart a truck or anything like that. So if you're looking for a new jump starter, definitely recommend this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. 10 out of 10.